y'all, let's start. So for this video, what we are going to do is first we're just going to set everything up, create our separate folders. And to do this, let's just go to this and let's create our developments folder. But before we do, I have to set a timer for 10 minutes because I did say a video is not going to be more than 10 minutes. Alright, before I set it, folder, trade. Alright, so now we're in a folder. Let me start the timer. The timer has started, and this is when we don't start coding it. We're just going to set up everything. New window, open a new window, and let's go to users, let's go to Naji, and let's scroll down all the way to updater, programs, PPP, okay, programs, Python, and we are going to use Python 38, Command C, and then we are going to go here, and we're going to do CMD, and let's make a directory called server, and then we'll make a directory called client. Now these two directories are important because that's where we are going to, the client is what people are going to use. The server is not for us, it's for the people that say, oh, I want to be in control of my own data or something, or I want my friends to be able to play with me. They are going to be the ones using this, right? CMD. Alright, so we just open two terminals. So next we have to create a virtual environment. To do that, we just type in that, and we'll say mvenv env. Oh my bad. We type in that python.exe mvenv env, and the virtual environment will be created. And we do the same thing for your python exe env. And now we just wait for it to load. Now while that's loading, we are going to open this with Visual Studios. Or should we use PyCharm? What y'all think? Yeah, we're gonna use. Alright, they're both done. Now we just wait for the Visual Studios to open. Now we're going to do a quick setup with our server. What we want our server to do is that we're going to create a thread with our server. That way, whenever the user clicks a button, the thread will stop, and whenever the user clicks a button, the thread will start. That's how we want our server to be. Which will just take a quick implementation. And we're down 3 minutes already. Okay, so since this two are activated, what we need to do now is say env the scripts that activate, and do the same thing for here. Env the scripts that activate. So what we're doing is activating our envs, and now we say env scripts python.exe, and what we want our python.exe to do is drum roll, pip install Flask. And this is for our server, right? Exactamundo. And for this, we want our env. Oh, they have new updates for GitHub. That's nice. Okay, scripts. Not activate. Python.exe. Pip install. And what we want to install for this is Flask. Not Flask. Kivy. Oh, I forgot to install Kivy on the server, but that's irrelevant for now. Kivy, then request, and I think that's pretty much it for now. Alright, but this is done loading. I'll install Kivy on here too. How many minutes do we have left? We have 43 minutes left. Dang, that's pretty wow. So while that's loading, what we are going to do is come in here, create a file called, we are going to call this, what do we call this? Okay. Alright, oh, that's a loud sound. Client.py, that's what we called it? Yep. And now we're going to go to our server, create a file, and we will call this server.py. See, and now we will install Kivy on this. Is this done? This is done. Good. Really? Install the request, right? Hopefully it works now. Did I press enter or am I tripping? Oh, I pressed enter. Good. And let's go into our server while these two are loading. Collecting Kivy. Good. Quick updates. What did it say? Just read the headlines. Wrap tabs, a new setting workbench editor. Wrap tabs. Interesting. Tab decorations. Okay, I know this. So for the server, the first thing we need to do is we need to say, what is this? Okay, first thing we need to say, import socket. What we're going to use the socket for is to get the IP address of the user, because sometimes the user does not even know the IP address, and in case the user is running the server on their phone, we will need the IP address. Alright, next thing we need to do, and we need to save this IP address. Do we need to make it go? It's already go. IP address equals to IP equals to sockets dot get host name. I think that's the function, and that should save the IP address for us. But in case, let's just say IP so we can see it. Alright, that's the first part. The next part, what we need to do is, dang, we are 1 minute down, is import Flask. So we will say from Flask import Flask app equals to Flask, and now we will say if name equals to main, server equals to process. We forgot to import multi-process. Import. Oh Lord, there's the timer. Multi-processing import process. Alright. So I'll just put this quick imports and then we'll end it right here. Process targets equals to app.run server dot start, and we forgot the args equals to host, and host equals to IP. Alright, that's pretty much it for now. That's how we're going to start up the server. We do not have anything at the moment, so we don't need to worry about that much. But let's just check if it's if not the server is working, but if that was the right function for it to get the IP, because I am not quite sure. Oh Lord, this is why are you lagging? What's your point? What's your point? You're still going, huh? Interesting. One thing I can do is just open the new file. Let's see. Come on. If it's taking too long, I will just skip this. We are going to go with a new command prompt. Alright, let's just go with this. Enter. Why are you slow? There's no point for you to be slow. Jesus Lord. This is exactly why I do not like slow computers. This is aggravating. Enter. Who gave you permission not to listen to my enter? I typed you in 2 times. It should not take me 2 times. Buddy. I'm talking too much, Alright. Okay. This should work now. CMD, enter. Okay, there you are. Yay! Anyways. Come out wherever you are. Alright, so we are going to do a quick test, and we will just say env, my bad, env scripts, Python, what is it, scripts or scripts? Scripts, python.exe, server.py. If there was a problem with that, we're dealing with scripts. env, my bad, scripts, oh, Lord, this is about to irritate me. Python, env, env scripts, now you want to be slow, Lord, env scripts, python.exe, server.py. It should work now. I'm gonna take it that it's being slow because it's work. Oh, what did that happen? Invalid syntax. Alright. It says that was. Oh. Ew. Oof. I wasn't even noticing. Come on. Why are you so slow? Okay. From. This should work now. Okay. Oh my god. What is wrong with you? What is this? How is this an invalid syntax as well? Host. Big oof. Okay, let's create a quick function and say def run host and what this should do is server equals not server equals to how will I do this? Def run should be running the Python thing. Magic. Oh yeah. App.run host equals to host executando, and right here we call this run, and this looks about right, and it should start working about now. Let's check it. It's going slow again. Why? Why? Why is it going so slow? Somebody explain. What was the problem? Server, blah blah blah. From the import JSON. Oh, keyboard interrupt. Guess I gotta keep my hands off the keyboard. Doo-doo. Sister was going too slow for me. Oh, oh, run. What line was this? Why did they print? I need the IP. This is so close to getting on my last nerves. Args. What are you doing? I literally just typed you in. Where's my dot? Where is my dog? How you gonna type letters but not? Where is my asterisk? Where? What is you doing? Okay. It's not going to be me and you today. Where are you doing? What is you doing, dog? Copy. Oh, copy. And let's see. And, oh my god. Wait a minute. What's that song? Okay. Let's hope it works this time. Hey, look at that. It is working. You were working so good. So good. Oh, kids. Kids. Well, I'm going to end it right here. I know I said that I was going to do 10 minutes. I'm sorry for the time, but I am going to figure out why it was acting like this. Get to address info failed. See, I need those. Wait, that was Socket that did that? It was Socket. But anyways, that's not even the problem. I will see y'all later, and I will try to fix the problem thing with Jay. Alright, peace.